A very good afternoon to all. Today we are going to discuss about iodoform test. Okay, iodoform test is used in order to distinguish different types of alcohols. Okay, let us see that test. Iodoform test. Iodoform test. Okay. So, which type of alcohols will give positive towards iodoform test? Those alcohols which contain CH3 CHOH group, those alcohols which contain this group, so they will give positive towards iodoform test. Okay, so in iodoform test, initially we react an alcohol will be reacted with iodine. Alcohol will be reacted with iodine at a temperature of 333 to 343 Kelvin and in presence of sodium hydroxide. Okay, we treat alcohol with iodine in presence of aqueous sodium hydroxide at a temperature of 333 to 343 Kelvin. If alcohol contains this group, then it will form yellow precipitate. Nothing but iodoform gets produced. So how can we know that iodoform gets produced? Means LOPPT gets produced. Formation of this LOPPT indicates that CHI3 iodoform got produced. Okay, when can this iodoform gets produced? Means if alcohol is having this group, then LOPPT gets produced. Okay, or CHI3, it indicates that iodoform got produced. Okay, if this group is not present in the alcohol, it will not produce iodoform. Nothing but LOPPT will not get produced. Okay, so we can use this in order to differentiate different types of alcohols. For example, methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol, they can be distinguished. Okay, ethyl alcohol will give positive towards iodoform test, methyl alcohol will not give. Propane 2-ol, propane 1-ol. Propane 2-ol will give positive, propane 1-ol will not give positive towards iodoform test. Butane 2-ol and butane 1-ol. Let us see the reactions. Okay. Let us consider ethanol, CH3, CH2OH. Okay, these are reaction with iodine. Okay, in presence of sodium hydroxide, aqueous sodium hydroxide at a temperature of 333 to 343 Kelvin. Then it will produce iodoform CHI3. Okay, plus sodium iodide gets produced, plus H2O gets produced, plus sodium formate also gets produced, HCOONA also gets produced. So this is nothing but iodoform. Okay, so it will be yellow in color, LOPP. When we are considering methanol, CH3OH, if you see this methanol, it is not having the group, as I said before, CH3, CHOH. These groups should be present in an alcohol to be positive towards iodoform test. If you consider CH3OH, it is not having this group, so it will not give iodoform test. Okay, let us consider propane 2-ol and propane 1-ol. Propane 2-ol and propane 1-ol. CH3 CH3OH. This is nothing but propane 2-ol. Propane 2-ol. So these are reaction with iodine, okay, and sodium hydroxide at a temperature of 333 to 343 Kelvin. Okay, at this temperature, then it will produce CHI3. Iodoform gets produced. Along with this iodoform, okay, sodium acetate will also get produced. One of the CH3 group will get converted into CHI3. The remaining group will get converted into this. Acetate gets produced. Sodium acetate gets produced. Plus sodium iodide plus H2O gets produced in this. I am not balancing the reactions. Okay. So if you consider propane 1-ol, CH3, CH2OH. This is nothing but propane 1-ol. So propane 1-ol is not having this group. Since it is not having this group, it will not give this test. Okay. Next, let us see about butane 2-ol and butane 1-ol. Butane 2-ol and butane 1-ol. CH3, CH, OH, CH2, CH3. This is nothing but butane 2-ol. Butane 2-ol. Butane 1-ol means CH3, CH2, 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 OH. This is nothing but butane 1-ol. Okay. So if you consider both these things, butane 2-ol is having this group, CH3, CH, OH group. So it will give positive towards iodoform test. It will give positive towards iodoform test. But in butane 1-ol, no such group is present. That is why it will give negative towards iodoform test. Okay. If you see the reaction of butane 2-ol, these on reaction. See, butane 2-ol on reaction with iodine in presence of sodium hydroxide. Okay. At high temperature, nothing but 333 to 343 Kelvin, then it will produce CHI3 plus sodium propionate gets produced, CH3, CH2, COONA. This is nothing but sodium propionate. Sodium propionate gets produced. Along with this, sodium iodide plus H2O will also get produced. So this is nothing but iodoform test. It is important for objective questions. So here what you need to remember is nothing but those alcohols which are having CH3, CHOH group in them, they will be giving positive for the iodoform test. Remaining will give negative. So we can use this test in order to differentiate different types of alcohols. Okay.